Did you know that there are tiny, almost unnoticeable behaviors that can cause a woman to think about you long after you've left, sometimes without you even being aware of it? Most men completely overlook these subtle signals. But today, you're going to learn how to become the kind of man she simply can't forget. Stay with me until the very end, because the final point might completely change the way you experience your relationships. Welcome back to the channel, where we explore how the smallest actions can strengthen your relationships and help you gain a much deeper understanding of female psychology. In today's video, we're going to reveal 7 things women genuinely appreciate, even though they rarely talk about them openly. If you've ever asked yourself what women truly value, you're about to discover the answers you've been searching for. Before we get started, make sure you leave a like if you enjoy this kind of content. Your support really helps the channel and allows me to keep bringing you these insights and perspectives. If you find this video useful, type the number 1 in the comments. If you don't, type number 2 so I know how I can improve the content. And most importantly, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. First, the power of giving her a massage before intimate moments. Physical touch is one of the most powerful ways to build emotional closeness. For many women, receiving a massage is about much more than simply relaxing the body. It can also communicate care, attention, and sincere affection. Making this part of your time together before intimacy can completely change the mood between you. Try using a pleasantly scented lotion or some body butter that has been gently warmed. Take your time and avoid rushing through the experience. Your goal should be to help her feel relaxed, comfortable, and completely at ease. This communicates that her comfort is important to you and that you're willing to invest your time in making her feel valued and appreciated. Second, playful but respectful flirting. A lot of men avoid flirting because they're afraid of rejection or concerned that they might cross a boundary. But here's something many people don't realize. Most women actually enjoy being flirted with when it's done in a playful, lighthearted, and respectful manner. Third, gently run your fingers through her hair. It may appear to be nothing more than a small gesture, but for many women, their hair can be a very comforting and sensitive area. If you've never tried doing this before, it might be something worth experiencing. Gently playing with her hair can create a sense of comfort, emotional connection, and intimacy. However, timing matters. Doing it right after an intense workout can feel completely different from doing it during a calm and peaceful moment together. Look for relaxed situations, such as sitting together watching television or getting comfortable before going to sleep. Avoid doing it when her hair is messy or immediately after the gym, because she may feel uncomfortable or self-conscious about how she looks. Fourth, gently place your hand on her back. It's a very simple gesture, yet it can quietly communicate care and support, especially when you're somewhere crowded. Lightly resting your hand on her back can help guide her while also making her feel secure and supported. This small action can communicate protection without making you seem controlling. In the same way, holding her close when you're alone, or softly kissing from the back of her neck toward her upper back, can deepen feelings of closeness and attraction. When you're surrounded by people, this subtle gesture can remind her that you're right there beside her and that you're paying attention to her. Fifth, stand beside her when it genuinely matters. Many women appreciate knowing that their partner is willing to support and stand up for them when the situation requires it, while still remaining calm and composed. If someone acts disrespectfully toward her or becomes unnecessarily aggressive, and you step in with confidence and control, she may naturally feel protected and valued. Even if she never directly tells you how much it meant to her, moments like these can stay in her memory for a long time. Just remember, there's a difference between confidently supporting her and overreacting simply to get attention. Sixth, tell her that you dreamed about her. It might sound like a very small comment, but for many women, discovering that they appeared in your dreams or occupied your thoughts on a deeper level can have real emotional meaning.